Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna addressing a common issue that many Filmora users face, the dreaded no audio or sound problem. Whether your imported video have no sound or you are experiencing playback issues, I have got you covered, so let's dive in. This is my audio track, and when I play back, there is no sound. There is no sound whatsoever. So how you gonna fix this? First of all, make sure this audio track in the timeline is not muted. So go ahead and right click on it, and you can see the mute option is not muted, and also make sure the volume slider is not set to 0. So everything is fine when I play back, so there is no sound. So how to fix it? So let's go down to the taskbar and right click on the speaker, open the volume itself, and you can see the Filmora audio player is muted. Click on it to unmute it, and also you can see the volume slider is set to 0. Increase the volume. So now let's go ahead and play the track. And now you can listen, the audio is back, and that's it. I hope this tutorial might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and keep editing.